And that's what's so, I think, compelling about the work that we're doing is that we've made a deliberate choice to build an ecosystem first, right? Our partnership with NVIDIA, it's not just a logo relationship, it's structural, right? Cordant is built around NVIDIA's Carbide framework, which means our customers are getting the benefit of all of that technology built into our knowledge base. And that is a very important piece of how we can help manage the complexities on behalf of companies so they can get back and do what they do best, right? We have a very meaningful and deep relationship that will allow the ecosystem to benefit from this experience. And the companies that win in AR infrastructure will be the ones that become the connective tissue between the best components, not the ones trying to own every layer. So that's something else that we are very proud of being able to do, is to help become that connective tissue. And something I like to say often is act as the bridge between your current infrastructure and your AR-ready infrastructure.